Hi, my name is Alia and the topic I'm going to present is green computing. Green computing is the name attached to this movement which represents an environmentally responsible way to reduce power and environmental waste. It is mainly concerned with whatever we are wasting and we are just damaging our environment. 5 steps to green computing. Develop a sustainable green computing plan. Whatever we are going to do, we need a plan before doing something. So to control the environmental waste, we have to develop a sustainable plan. That plan includes a recycling policy or the recycling policies, recommendations for disposal of used equipment, government guidelines and recommendations for purchasing green computing equipment. Recycle. We are quite aware of this word recycle. Let's talk what recycle is and how it becomes a part of the plan. Discard, use or unwanted electronic equipment in a convenient and environmentally responsible manner. It means whatever extra stuff we have home which we don't need, and despite of wasting it, we should recycle it so we can make better use of that particular thing, and the environmental can be benefited by this. Computers have toxin metals and pollutants that can emit harmful emissions into the environment. Computer also contains some elements that can cause pollution. So, in order to control environmental problems, we should control our computer systems too. Never discard computers in a landfill. Number 3, make environmentally sound purchase decisions. Purchase electronic products, environmental assessment, tool registered products, EPEAT set. Some new standards for environment so it can reduce the noise pollution. Some of the device is very noisy, because of that it's really useful for the environment. Reduce paper consumption, which is very important. There are many easy, obvious ways to reduce paper consumption. Email, e-archiving or electronic archiving. Use the track changes features in the electronic documents rather than red line corrections on the paper. When you do print out documents, make sure you use both sides of the paper and not using only single side. And recycle regularly. Use smaller fonts to print out documents and selectively print required pages. When we are writing in some document, it is preferable to use small fonts like 12, the size of 12, so we can utilize the paper and not use excessive papers and not waste the paper. Conserve energy. Turn off your computer when you know you won't use it for an extended period of time. Whenever we are using a computer, it is very important till the time we are using it. Of course, it has to be on an on mode, but as we finish the work, we should turn the computers off in order to preserve energy. That improves a lot of that improves the environment, and that improves yourself personally. Turn on power management features during shorter periods of inactivity by simply hitting the keyboard or moving the mouse. The computer or monitors awakens from its slow power sleep mode in seconds. Putting your computer on brightness, it will save your battery life and save energy. That concludes my presentation. Thank you.